Welcome to our Master Vocabulary series. In this video, we explore the word aberration. It is a noun that means a departure from the normal, a deviation, or an irregularity. A helpful mnemonic to remember this is a flat plus error equals error, reminding you that making an error means you have wandered off the right path. Let's look at the DNA of the word. It originates from the Latin ab, meaning away, and errare, meaning to wander. Together, they form aberrare, to wander away, eventually evolving into the modern English term aberration, which signifies a departure from the normal. This root word err connects to a wide library of terms, from errant, meaning wandered, to erratic, meaning irregular, and erroneous, meaning incorrect. These variations all stem from the same etymological foundation involving wandering or mistake-making. Here is how the word functions grammatically. As a noun, it's aberration. You might say, the scientist considered the unusual result an aberration. As an adjective, we use aberrant, like aberrant behavior. The adverb form is aberrantly, and the rare verb form is aberrate, meaning to wander from a topic. When building your vocabulary, it's useful to know synonyms. For aberration, we have deviation, which is a departure from a standard path. Anomaly, which differs from a pattern. Error in calculations. Irregularity in procedures. And oddity, describing something strange or unusual. Conversely, understanding antonyms strengthens your grasp. Words like normality, regularity, conformity, usualness, and accuracy provide the direct opposites to the concept of an aberration, representing consistency, order, and standard behavior. This matrix clarifies the nuances of these related terms. While aberration implies an extreme departure, deviation suggests a directional change, and an anomaly refers to a structural exception. Knowing these specific contexts is critical for exams. Think of this as a spectrum of deviation. A simple error is low severity, while an aberration is an extreme, unnatural departure. Watch out for exam traps. Aberration typically describes behavior or character, whereas anomaly is frequently used in scientific or data-heavy contexts. Let's deconstruct a master sentence. The investigator treated the unusual finding as an aberration, an unexpected anomaly, and minor deviation, rather than a mistake, because the overall data still reflected normality, regularity, and remarkable accuracy. This shows how these terms work together in context. Here is a quick look at 20 advanced synonyms and antonyms in our vocabulary vault, ranging from deviation and divergence to consistency and reliability. These are key terms to add to your study list. Let's test your knowledge. Question 1. What does aberration mean? The correct answer is C, deviation from the norm. Question 2. Which synonym means an unusual exception? The answer is B, anomaly. Question 3. Which antonym means following accepted standards? The correct choice is C, conformity. For our final questions, the Latin root errare means to wander, and the word that means freedom from error is accuracy. To wrap up, remember these revision notes. Aberration is a departure from the normal, originating from the Latin aberrare. The root err unlocks over 15 words related to mistakes or wandering. Keep this mnemonic in mind. When you err, you create an error, resulting in an aberration from the truth.